tower is 57 meters.
57 meters. Hey folks, what's up? YouTubers, shortwave listeners, ham radio operators, or people who just surf by my channel. This right there is LZ1JY, my friend Nick in Sofia, Bulgaria. And I'm Uncle Gunther, DK50NV, back at his old place again, right here where it all began. The farmer finally cut the grass and took the hay back home. And my bike is right underneath of that tree right here. It's already dark. I don't know if you can see it. There's the bike. And I'm here between these little trees. There's the antenna. I just moved over there for a couple of weeks, just temporarily. I'm back right here at my old place. There's the north. There's the west. East. South. So, yeah, south. Okay, all right. Temperature is still 21 Fahrenheit, 21 Celsius, which is 74 Fahrenheit, 73 Fahrenheit. There is some little precipitation in the forecast. I'm not quite sure if that will happen. And of course, hey folks, and of course, my friends, the mosquitoes are with me. How could I just forget to mention them? I'm sorry for that. So yeah, the moisture humidity is about 65 or 66%. So yeah, local time is, let me check. The local time is 21, what is it? Okay, this is too bright. 21:02, that means it is 19:02 UTC time. Still plenty of time till yeah, the DXNet on 20 is running with Gulf India 0 Alpha Quebec Delta, I believe. David up in Northern Ireland. They're starting at 20 UTC. So yeah, I'm gonna listen for a little bit, and if there's something interesting, I'll let you know, folks. 73s, happy Thursday, August 19, from the shores of the Rhine River. I'm going to say hi to Nick real quick. Just listening first. If he is too busy, I'll talk to him later on anyways with the BGFN net. 73 is your friend Uncle Gunther. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution.